Hey there, fellow fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most potent secrets of muscle growth, the power of creatine. If you've ever wondered how to supercharge your workouts, boost your strength, and sculpt your dream physique, you're in the right place. So grab your shaker bottle, because we're about to unleash the muscle-building magic of creatine. Number 8. Dosage. The dosage of creatine, particularly whether to use a loading phase or not, is a subject of debate. The loading phase involves higher doses initially to saturate muscles with creatine quickly. While it can lead to faster results, many individuals choose to skip this phase and opt for a lower, consistent maintenance dose, typically 3 to 5 grams daily, which is also effective over time. The decision to use a loading phase or not depends on personal preference, budget, and tolerance for potential digestive discomfort with higher doses. Number 7. Timing. Timing is crucial when taking creatine for muscle growth. Consuming creatine around your workouts, either before or after, can be beneficial. Taking it before exercise ensures that your muscles have an extra supply of creatine available during your training session, potentially enhancing your performance. On the other hand, post-workout creatine intake aids in muscle recovery and growth by replenishing creatine stores depleted during exercise. While the exact timing may vary from person to person, generally taking creatine about 30 minutes before or after your workout is a practical guideline. Number 6. Form. Creatine monohydrate is the preferred and most extensively researched form of creatine available. It has consistently demonstrated its effectiveness in enhancing muscle growth and exercise performance. This form is not only cost-effective, but also well-tolerated by the majority of users. Creatine monohydrate is available in various brands and can be found in powder or capsule form. When using the powdered version, it's easy to mix with water, juice, or a protein shake, making it convenient to incorporate into your daily routine. Number 5. Combine with carbohydrates. Combining creatine with carbohydrates can potentially enhance its absorption and effectiveness. When carbohydrates are consumed, they trigger an insulin response in the body, which helps drive nutrients, including creatine, into muscle cells. This insulin response can create a more favorable environment for creatine uptake. For this reason, some individuals choose to take creatine with a carbohydrate-rich beverage, such as fruit juice or sports drink. However, it's important not to overdo it with the carbohydrates, as excessive sugar intake can have negative health consequences. A simple and effective approach is to mix creatine monohydrate with a small amount of carbohydrates, or consume it alongside a carbohydrate-containing meal to aid absorption without excessive sugar intake. Number 4. Hydration. Staying adequately hydrated is essential when using creatine as a supplement. Creatine may increase water retention in muscle cells, which can contribute to temporary weight gain. This water retention can actually be beneficial for muscle size and function, as it helps create a more favorable environment for muscle growth. Staying well hydrated not only aids in the absorption of creatine, but also helps prevent potential side effects like digestive discomfort or cramping that some individuals may experience when taking creatine supplements. Number 3. Cycle if desired. Cycling creatine supplementation is a practice that some individuals choose to follow, although it's not a strict requirement. The concept behind cycling is to take creatine for a certain period, for example 8 to 12 weeks, and then have a break from supplementation, for example 2 to 4 weeks, before resuming. The idea is to prevent your body from becoming desensitized to creatine over time, potentially allowing for continued responsiveness to the supplement. However, scientific evidence on the necessity of cycling is inconclusive, and many athletes and individuals opt for continuous creatine use without issues. Number 2, consult a healthcare professional. Before incorporating creatine or any supplement into your routine for muscle growth, it is highly advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. This step is especially crucial if you have any underlying health conditions, are taking medications, or have concerns about potential interactions. A qualified expert can provide personalized guidance on the suitability of creatine for your specific needs and health status. They can also help you determine the appropriate dosage, timing, and form of creatine that aligns with your fitness goals. Ensuring that creatine supplementation is safe and compatible with your overall health and fitness plan is essential for optimizing your muscle growth efforts while prioritizing your well-being. Number 1, patience and consistency. Achieving noticeable muscle growth through creatine supplementation, like any aspect of fitness, requires patience, consistency, and a holistic approach. While creatine can be a valuable tool, it's not a magic solution on its own. It should be integrated into a well-balanced diet and a structured workout program that includes progressive resistance training. Results may vary among individuals, so it's crucial to set realistic expectations and track your progress over time. Additionally, prioritize other aspects of your health, such as adequate sleep, stress management, and overall nutrition, as these factors play a significant role in muscle development. By combining creatine with a comprehensive fitness and wellness strategy, you can maximize your chances of achieving your muscle growth goals and maintaining a sustainable and healthy lifestyle. As we wrap up this video, we hope you've gained valuable insights into harnessing the incredible potential of creatine for your muscle growth journey. Remember, it's not just about the supplement. It's about your dedication, consistency, and hard work in the gym that will truly transform your physique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest fitness tips and tricks. And as always, if you have questions or want to share your own creatine experiences, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep pushing your limits and making those gains. Thanks for watching.